Hi, I'm Monte Swain, one of your CMA instructors ready to help you succeed on your upcoming exam. Our instructor team may have a lot of letters behind our names, but what matters most are the letters that will appear behind yours. The UWorld method is simple. When your practice feels like the exam, your exam will feel like the practice. From the QBank and video lectures to live boot camps and more, we keep your studies efficient and aligned with the latest CMA content specification outline to drive lasting results. When you sign in for the first time, set your exam date and launch the study planner. This powerful tool helps you build a personalized plan in minutes based on your availability and learning preferences. The set schedule is great if you're new to UWorld and have about 4 to 6 months before your exam. Our system will create a comprehensive plan for you with all of our best features. The flex schedule is similar. We build a schedule with the features you select and allow you to fill in the curricular components. This is excellent for repeat test takers who need to focus on specific areas or candidates with specialized knowledge that they can skip over. Finally, there's the custom schedule that gives you the freedom to start from scratch, to set up your plan, enter your start and end dates, choose your study pace, and put in your approximate availability until the progress bar at the top of your screen turns green. When you're ready, click Create Plan and start studying. It's that easy. Track your assignments in a daily, weekly, or calendar view and simply click on a task to start it. For tailored practice beyond your study plan, click on Create Test under QBank in the left-hand menu. This is where you can configure quizzes with exam-style questions based on your needs. Let's say you're really struggling with internal controls in part 1 of the exam. In other words, how do you control internal controls in your head? Select that section, expand the topic, and choose the specific subtopics that need improvement. When you're ready, set your number of questions and generate the test. To get you familiar and comfortable with the CMA testing format, your practice questions will appear as they do on the real exam. When you answer a question, you can see the percent of candidates who answered it correctly, how much time you spent on it, and a detailed explanation of why answer options are right or wrong. For essay questions, we provide realistic case scenarios for you to practice. After you submit your response, you can self-grade based on the CMA exam's rubric and review a comprehensive explanation of the solution written by your accounting experts. As you get closer to exam day, there are a couple of ways you can test your readiness. Exam Sim in the Create Test menu can be used an unlimited number of times. It generates an exam-length test from randomly selected QBank questions to help you practice your timing and endurance. During the final run-up to your actual exam day, that's when you should take your practice exam. When you're ready, open the Practice Exam drop-down in the left-hand menu. Here, the CMA exam environment is fully replicated, with unique questions not found in your QBank. They match the exam's topic allocation and offer realistic breaks. You can only take the practice exam one time, so plan to do so in a quiet setting, all at once, just like your actual exam day. When you're done with the practice exam, open your analytics to see your overall performance, which topics you performed well in, and which ones you still need to work on. As you complete practice questions, use My Notebook and your digital flashcard builder to create personalized notes and flashcards. Simply highlight the text or chart you want to use, copy it into a new flashcard, existing flashcard, or My Notebook, and edit it in a way that makes it memorable for you. To view your notes, click on My Notebook in the left-hand menu. From here, you can actually prepare new notebook sections, reorganize subsections, search for specific topics, and seriously amp up your study approach. In the flashcards drop-down, you have two options, My Decks and Ready Decks. My Decks are your personalized flashcards. You can browse or search through your existing cards, create new decks and flashcards, or flip to study mode, where you can create specific study goals for each unique flashcard deck. Ready Decks come pre-made by our CMA experts here at UWorld. In the Browse tab, you can search for specific topics and flashcards similar to My Decks. In study mode, set up your learning goals for each topic. Most options are self-explanatory. The different intervals are used to determine how often you'll see specific flashcards. For example, use the graduating interval for more difficult topics you want to see more often in the flashcards. That's because study mode uses spaced repetition technology, showing you the topics you struggle with more frequently to enhance retention. Isn't that cool? As you review flashcards in My Decks or Ready Decks, you'll be asked to rate your understanding as again, good, or easy. We highly recommend you use this feature. Now, as a professional, you understand how important it is to verify performance and make adjustments based on results. Navigate to the QBank dropdown and click Performance. The overall tab shows you key QBank insights. You can monitor your points scored and question performance, and keep track of your overall QBank usage. In reports, you'll find a comprehensive breakdown of your performance by sections, topics, and lessons. This will help you identify your strengths and weaknesses to adjust your study plan as needed. In graphs, you can track your progress over time, view your scores by date, or monitor your scores by practice tests. With UWorld, you will always know where you stand. Now that you know how to navigate your practice resources and analytics, let's take a look at the video lectures and other course components. Click on the syllabus dropdown and select Full Course. Here, you will find engaging videos and assessments for each section and topic of your CMA exam. Click the play icon to launch the video interface. This screen displays the video player on the left and your comprehensive study guide on the right. On the left, you can quickly navigate between lessons, take customized notes, view associated slides with key points, and create flashcards. When you're ready, return to the Full Course tab and launch your assessment. If you prefer reading the full study guide together without videos or lesson assessments, open the e-textbook tab in your left-hand menu. Now, it's time for the 11th hour review with bonus videos and practice questions that will maximize your last few study sessions. If you haven't activated it yet, go to your account in the upper right to do so. If you have activated the 11th hour review, you can switch to it in the drop-down menu. This mini course mirrors your full course to improve your learning efficiency. When you launch the study planner, you'll notice there are about 14 hours of crucial exam info covered through video lectures and practice exams. Your syllabus will contain a welcome video and lectures on hot topics. Under practice exams, you can simulate your full exam day experience in the Prometric testing environment with new questions and essay prompts you won't find anywhere else. Speaking of live lectures, back in the main course, you can click Events to see our full bootcamp schedule. Can't make it live? No problem. We record and post each session for you to watch at your convenience. These virtual events feature live online instruction and support to address your unique needs. They're grouped by sections, so come prepared with any questions to get one-on-one help. Here at UWorld, we are thrilled to help you achieve your professional goals. Our course was created with built-in flexibility so you can prepare for the CMA your way. With a little dedication and hard work, nothing can stop you from getting your certification. Good luck, and we will see you in the course.